It's possible to grow tasty crops on a windowsill, meaning it's easy to get a homegrown fix if you don't have much outdoor space. Grow salads or herbs in a plastic window box. Start by filling it with multi-purpose compost and watering gently. Sprinkle seed on the surface of the compost, taking care not to waste any as you go. Cover the seed with a fine layer of compost, breaking up any large lumps as you go. Place this on a bright windowsill that doesn't get too much direct sunshine, and wait for the seeds to shoot and grow. Water occasionally. Grow sprouting seeds in glass jars. Put a few seeds in the jar, cover with water and leave them overnight. Drain the seeds in a fine sieve. Rinse with clean water and return them to the jar. The seeds should begin to sprout within 24 hours. Repeat the rinsing and draining process a couple of times a day until the sprouts are ready to eat, usually when they start to turn green. Eat the sprouts as soon as they're ready, often after around 4 days. Give them one final rinse before adding them to your plate.